Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be playing MXGP3, starting my motocross career in it, and I have played this game before, so yeah, so I know what to do and everything. So over here I'm just going to create my name and everything. There's a bird outside my window. Got to represent the YouTube channel. My nationality, yeah, keep it like that, and I'll see, I'll go as slow as I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 13. And then let's go with, yeah, let's go with red for both colours. And the styling of the name, I like style 1. Team name, has to be Snipes IT. Snipes IT Motors. Why not? Okay, and then for bikes, I know what's the best bike in the game, like Suzuki. That is between KTM and Suzuki, which are the best bikes in the game. Because I want a Husqvarna or a Husky when I'm older. I'm gonna go with them. Seeing as they also look really good as well. No tutorial. Okay, so now, God damn, my controller disconnected. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set up all the settings. So I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay, so we are back, and we are now going to go to the race, and like those signs with like the Fox logo on the right middle of the screen, and that's like where the whole shot is. And I did not get a good start, so I'm not going to get whole shot this race. Maybe race 2 I might, and there's already been a crash. Don't know if that was my fault or not. So like, other bikes are usually like top 15. Whereas like I'm like top 5 on a harder difficulty than what I usually start the game on. Don't know if that's just I've got a... Oops, that was definitely my fault. There's a lot of crashes in this race, as you can see in the bottom left. There's already been like 5 crashes. I ain't gonna be used to it, so like if I crash in this race, like I'm crashed and I can't rewind and like pretend like I never crashed. I keep on forgetting to let go of the throttle whenever I jump. I did it again. Just as this lap 1 done. Yes, lap 1 is now done. And so we'll go for another whip. That one was sketchy. Try to think of the right word then. I'm going to shift into second manually, so I can grip up. And then go flying up the kind of step up. So it's kind of like a step up and 2 step down. And then come around the corner. I straight, and then go up the hill, do just a jump up a hill. That's not really a step up or slow down or anything. And then just a big table. Some just random jumps to no landing. And I've gone over the berm and fallen off. So I cased that. Just past the KTM rider. And didn't whip back, so I didn't make it. Whipped that though, and then nose dive. See, because I've been playing the game for like a while, so I only know like all the little shortcuts and stuff. So it's easier, and then I've managed to let off the throttle there, because it's just kind of like, I don't know, like, it's just kind of like, I get the feeling like I go faster if I hold the throttle in the air. I don't know why. Time to catch up to these two because it's the last lap. There's another husky rider in this game, followed by is now behind me. And then there is this person called Jeffrey Holdings. Don't know if that's a real person or not, on a KTM, which I don't think I will catch in this race, since I fell off when I was in first. So currently I'm in P2. I went for a whip then, but it didn't quite work. Because like, if you don't whip quick enough in this game, it doesn't whip at all. It just kind of goes for a whip and then just kind of gets stuck there. So I took a better lock, but I got a better corner there, better exit, and then just kind of some little whoops. I don't think you ever clear that jump. And there's been another crash. See, I prefer being sponsored on this game because then you can actually like have your own bikes and you can actually upgrade them. Whereas if you're in a team on this game, you can't like upgrade the bike or anything. It's just there, like it's already like upgraded. You can't change the appearance of it or anything, and you don't actually own the bike. So that's why sponsors are better in my opinion. And we managed to get first. We managed to pass the person who was in first place. And this game, say it's quite outdated. It's 2017 game, so it's 3 years old. It isn't actually that bad. And there on our skills, we have leveled up 3 skills. And I just got a reward for not using rewind. And so on to the next race we go, and I will be back with you guys when the race starts. Alright, so I'm back, and now we are going to go into race 2. And let's try and get pole shot this time. And I didn't get the launch again. Oops, that was definitely my fault. Oopsies. Honestly, this bike looks so good. Oh, it turns out I didn't put the sponsor kit on it. Oops. Actually, I think so. I clicked the MXGP cast because pretty sure sponsors running MX2 at the start, which I have no idea what the difference is. I think it's like MX2 is like 250s and like 125s and stuff, or 150s. So I will check after this race. Did not go for a whip as the two KTM riders who are on the same team, as you can see from their gear. Because like when you're in a team, you have the same gear, and you don't get to choose your gear. Whereas right now, I am sponsored, yet I don't have enough money to like buy any gear yet. But after these races or so, I should. That was very risky. Yeah. Star points. Do anything for star points. Not whipping there this time. I don't even think I got tyre upgrades on this bike, seeing as, like I said, like the upgrades don't transfer from class to class, even if it's like the same bike. Seeing as when you get your first bike, it gives you 2 bikes. It gives you 2 bikes when you buy a bike anyway. It gives you an MX2 version of that bike and an MXGP version of that bike. I have no idea what the difference is, because yeah, why wouldn't I not know what it is when I play this game and I want to ride in motocross in real life? Like, I should probably know this stuff, but I don't. Shall we slide it in, somehow keep it in second gear with the automatic? Unless I accidentally press B to change up whilst I was braking, and it's been another crash. And we are flying down the kind of straight, like it was straight and then it wasn't, and that was too much speed right there. Around this corner, do a step down, to kind of like a hip, I guess. That was perfect landing, and that was gonna be a perfect corner until I messed it up. I thought we were on lap 3, and I was about to say like race is already done. I don't understand why you don't get enough speed for that jump, and I shouldn't have got behind me then because I just went straight into the billboard. And slide it in a little bit. Look how no matter what you do, like the bikes are really hard to slide in this game, even in the rain. Because like even if you press and hold A, which is the rear brake, it still does not slide the bike at all. It literally just slides it down a bit, even in the corner. We'll lift up the, I guess that is a step up, I guess. And this is just a table. Very big table. It's motocross. You probably, if you rolled the first one, you probably could double. Probably could turn the second kind of like little, not if I said roller, then like little kind of wood, whatever those things were, you could probably double the second one in real life. Honestly, I don't see the difference between very easy and easy AI, because I'm still way out far ahead. So after this race, I will up the difficulty, up to medium, and see how that goes. I've just hit some green on odd things, and whip across the line. See my full white rider outfit there, and almost went over the bars there. I was 5 seconds quicker than everyone else there. Got almost 3,000 credits for that race, and another level on braking, throttle management and control on my skills, and on rain ability. I haven't been racing in the rain yet, so that's still the lowest it can be, which is 40 for some reason instead of like 0. And I can select a new sponsor now. I like the class for the sponsor, as you can see underneath, like the sponsor award is MX2. I think I will go with BIHR. I didn't want to pronounce that wrong, so I didn't even try. Let's see my interests in MX2 teams. Okay, so no idea what that is. a Yamaha team want me on their team. KTM, Husky, Yamaha. And then sponsor interest on MX2. The sponsors I've got right now. Done like Twin End and all these sponsors are like I usually go for like GoPro because why not? So now if we go to MX2, I can actually customize this bike. See, look, this bike is completely stock, like nothing changed on it at all. And I think I'm gonna just leave the appearance like that. Get some new bars. Just which bars? What a PBR. Those bars don't look too bad. I think I'm gonna get some PBR handlebars. Grips, I don't change because these usually have like stupid little bits on them. Like, they don't match bikes when you change them on this game. I'll just have a look if there's any that next, like they don't suit the bikes. Pro circuit exhaust maybe. TI6, that's like the most expensive stuff there is, just like $4 grand on that. So that's the best you can get. Oh, we got the tyres. Rims are important, and these are the best rims you can get. Let's get the mini yellow. Suspension. Pro circuit. Don't think I can afford suspension at the moment. Nope. So suspension is 2,500. Brakes. I can afford brakes. So now we have quite a good bike. And then I've got 940 credits. Let's see if I can customize my rider at all. Actually, the Scott helmets actually don't look too bad. But honestly, Fox all the way for me, because like, Fox is just... everyone knows Fox. But what Scorpion? They don't look too bad. Then there's the Scott helmet. That actually looks quite good. That'll probably suit the Husky, but can't afford it. I think I'm just gonna go Scott like everything. Unless they don't have like, no, they don't have the black goggles. I see that Oakley, they have the nice goggles. Like, they would probably, yeah. If I just get them, and then if I go over to Scott, that's like the helmet that I was gonna get. Yeah, that suits the helmet. And I got a reward, an Xbox reward for purchasing whatever I took for character customization. I can get a different neck brace. Scott neck brace or not. And then I've only got 240 credits left, so I do not have enough, and I will probably